Hi, so in this video I'm going to share with you exactly how I have made, as you can see here on my screen, in my bank account, $7,853 in 1 week with one affiliate offer only. Now, and I know that as you're watching this video right now and seeing my screen here, you're thinking probably, okay, I'm newbie. You're saying to yourself, I'm newbie, I'm someone who have few hundreds or few $1,000s left on my bank account, or even more, I don't know. But let's say that you are a newbie looking for a way to make money online and you just stumbled across many different videos as this one, right? So you're asking yourself, is this really possible? Can I make this kind of money per week or per month? So my honest opinion and answer is yes, it is doable and it is possible. We're not talking about millions of dollars here. We are talking about few $1,000s per week as an affiliate, right? Promoting other people's product online. Ask yourself, have you ever, do you or anyone you know buy any kind of products online, digital, or either it be through Amazon, through Shopify, through, I don't know, any other online stores, right? You're buying products every single day, and people, and if you're not buying products, right, I'm sure you agree with me that 90% of other people's out there around the world, in all these continents, Australia, US, Canada, right, Europe, they are purchasing products now more than ever online, right? So what you can do is you can take advantage of this opportunity, right? But for that, you have to have a special set of, let's say, glasses. You have to have a special set of glasses to see the opportunity, right? You have to see the opportunity before you can take legal action, right? Before you can legally take advantage of the opportunity that presents itself in front of you, right? To say yes and do it later. So how we created over $7,800 in 1 week. Let me share this with you. If you're an affiliate and if you want to start having results with affiliate marketing, for example, with ClickBank, then what you have to keep in mind is there are many different niches, right? As you can see, you have many different categories on the left side here. You can choose from betting system, as seen on in TV, entertainment, education, jobs, employment, games, right? Health and fitness. Now, what I would suggest to you is to choose an offer that's paying minimum $50 or even better, $100 per sale with front-end sales and back-end sales. So why this is really important and crucial is because at least that you can start generating great income. If you have one sale for $100 a day, you're already making $3,000 per month. If you have two sales for $200 per day, you're making $400 a day, which is over $10,000 per month. So as you're watching this video right now, below this video are going to be links where you can contact me, when you can send me an email, you can connect with me on social media, and you can ask me how to get in touch and how to get started and get support from me. We've done for you affiliate website, done for you ad campaigns, right? So that you have some kind of support. This is totally different than having any course, right? Because courses are not giving you support, they're not giving you any hand holding along the way, right? They're not helping you step by step, they're not showing you what to do, where to click, right? What ad copy to use, who to target, what to target, right? So all these steps are really important. So if you're serious and watching this video, click the links below this video and reach out to me and ask me. And now let's go further. So as you can see here, we have affiliate marketplace. Now you have top offers. If you click on top offers, as you can see over here, we have Exipur. This one is health offer. You see they are paying $150, almost $150 per sale. So imagine this, you have one sale per day, you are making one sale a day for $150 commission. How much you're making per month? You're making, let's say, over $4,500 per month with only one sale. So it's important to understand what niche you're in, who is your audience, what do they want, and then giving it to them, right? This is really important. So you have to have the right ad copy, the right targeting details, quality offer, and someone to guide you and mentor you through, right? Why? Because you don't want to waste either your money, right, or waste your time. So you can skip all of that and fast track yourself to success by having someone to guide you through step by step. So as you're watching this video right now and listening to me, you can see that there are many different offers that you can promote on ClickBank, right, and other affiliate networks. So I would suggest you to start with some offer that has at least potential of making over $100 per sale with front-end sales and also upsells. This way you can make a lot more money as an affiliate. So if you want to know exactly how to put it together, how to put exact ad copy on Google or Facebook ads, do let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my account where we can connect, but only reach out to me if you're really serious, if you're prepared to invest in yourself, not only with a little bit of time, but also with some serious financial investments, so that you can start having some kind of results. Ask yourself, is it worth it to invest few thousands of dollars to start having results as a newbie with someone helping you, not giving you videos or instructions only, but helping you personally to start having results as an affiliate with affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching this video. All the links and how to reach out to me are below this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more tips.